Navigating shopping, dining out, and making payments are essential parts of daily life. Here's some useful vocabulary to help you in these situations. Shopping vocabulary items and products: clothes, groceries, electronics, etc. I'm looking for a t-shirt. Sizes and preferences: small, medium, large. Do you have this in a larger size? Asking for prices. How much does this cost? Can you tell me the price of this t-shirt? Payment methods: cash, credit card, debit card. Do you accept credit cards? Sales and discounts: sale, discount, offer. Is this item on sale? Ordering food menu items. I'll have the pasta, please. What do you recommend? Dietary preferences: vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free. Do you have any vegetarian options? Beverages: water, coffee, tea, soda. Could I get a glass of water, please? Special requests: could you make it less spicy? I'm allergic to peanuts. Paying the bill. Could we have the bill, please? Can we split the bill? Making payments. Confirming the amount. How much do I owe? Could you confirm the total amount? Payment methods. I'll pay by card. Is cash okay? Receipts. Could I get a receipt, please? Do you provide electronic receipts? Refunds and exchanges. What is your return policy? Can I exchange this if it doesn't fit? Additional phrases. Asking for help. Could you help me find large size? Inquiries. Is this the latest model version? Gratitude. Thank you for your help. Practice scenario. Imagine you are at a store and you want to buy a shirt you like, but you're not sure if it's the right size. Ask an assistant for help. Excuse me, I like this shirt. Do you have it in a medium size? These phrases and vocabulary items will help you handle shopping, dining out, and payment situations with greater ease. Remember, it's okay to ask questions if you're unsure about something. Practice makes perfect. Keep up the great work.